Lexi and prayer day today. And some of them blood the cookie alone, Mr. Favorite reptile. I call me name. But not call me name. You know if you do this and beat me. Get up and cook on the make sure Mother's Day. You don't just lay back and say, oh, it's Mother's Day. No, Mother's Day. I get up and I clean. I'm a cook. I make me enjoy themselves. You don't do this and beat me now. But you know want pitney. But you know too. If you have a dark poop. Clean pitney. I wake up and I say, go eat where? Yeah, me if you go spend $200, but me I go sit down and name blood clot food and I reach and I yard, but I go in Evan, me because me and name. I say, yesterday I go shopping from 12 o'clock and I never reach home till after 6. I carry them, I give Lexi money, because you know Lexi not nobody to give no money. I give Lexi money and she come buy me a little present. Probably one day for a Friday. I go up on the mall. I'm at the outlet. I buy myself a nice polo slippers for $100. And I buy 2 Versace perfume for one of them for 70 and the other one for 80. And I buy one Kenneth Cole body spray. That's what I want for my Mother's Day. I never sit down and spend a whole heap of money. Go boat me, I go throw my one, go sit down and eat. Where? I'm boat me, I go do crumb nut, foot and nut too when I can do it myself. Can't bother with them. That is my Mother's Day. I'm just say, alright, I'm gonna do something fancy. I never even cook no rice, you know. I just potato salad and gravy. I'm gonna do some ribs and some oxtail. Lexi clean and me clean. No wash. Lexi, best no want. Thank you. Be Mother's Day. Best way no can ya. Thanks. I admit. Lexi best know she know she can me know. You see better I look for now, me no know whether none of them are chocolate today. But watch me me can go put them right in my car. Cause she not them there. Me and them there. Happy Mother's Day to the good mama when no know her baby father. Whoa. And that me say? No, that me say. Happy Mother's Day to me. The mother that know her baby father but spiting the father. And that me say? No, I'm still not say it right, you know. Happy Mother's Day to Come. We refuse to do the DNA. That is it. That sounds better. Me go change my name from Come and put DD. Come DNA. Pump up. Right now, what's me done? Come the DNA, mommy. Come DNA, mommy. That's what I want. Come DNA. No more auntie. Please take off the auntie now. My God, not DNA. It's not DNA. It's DNA. DNA. Yeah. Come the DNA, mommy. Every day my day, you know. Every day is my day. Would you all know that? DNA. Yeah, that one for me start up. You know, move auntie off of my name now and put anti-DNA. No, me don't want a auntie pande. Me want come fix. Me want keep come. So I'll fix it good. DNA come. DNA come. Anti-come. DNA. That kind of sound good. Me don't have this again. Fire. Make it a road. Jesus Christ. I feel like one piece my ribs. It tastes good. Alright, me I come go for KD. Hey. I make a lick in your back. Did that taste good? I want a piece more. Mel Rebel, Hooligan, Sheena, Fabulous. Boy, I told me for people come back and cuss me. I don't know what at up my rib tongue right now. I can't deal with them. Prior! If I lick it tonight, that come for you, mama. If I lick you now, the DNA now, but I do it out on A and D. Okay, relax. Watch me and I make you bother me yet. But people, me sit down. I don't want to piece them. I mean I say, but what dear? Me and Uncle DNA attack. And Uncle DNA say, no, me and Uncle DNA attack. And DNA and Uncle DNA say, me say to Uncle DNA say, me I go send her come give you know because she give me too much trouble. And Uncle DNA say, alright, and laugh. Then Uncle DNA, boy, you're confusing. You fuck me now, lie. Uncle DNA, after me calling for you. This tastes like I got one place, go sit down and eat. Thank you. Uncle DNA. Uncle DNA. Me of course they tell people I have something to open up my mouth and say, but me I want to enjoy me Mother's Day dinner. Some people say me not fi answer. But me see someone called toilet paper come out I look argument with me. Why not look argument from me? Kind of them me see I come out call me name. Auntie come. Thank you. I'm mother father happy father mother you. I can't people me see come out. I can't mean what I want to know? No ask them. People me don't know one ugly woman named Katie from Maxfield. Hey, but Miss Katie, me left DNA for later. DNA is spicy. Miss Katie from Maxfield, from over what a place the name? Speed. Me never know where you did it. But me never know say you all this time. I said, when me son go to Prezi. Me said, bro, how old that girl ya? And Prezi say, you know, that he used to fuck her. I be either fuck that girl get and then that girl they go fuck Twitchman. And Twitchman and Zara, brother. How you do it? No. Then Katie, when me can't come for me, Katie, and I never know you. When me there Maxfield, you know, Katie. As a country girl, I'm stepping a Maxfield. No blood clot, you know. Cause time me just come from England. And me hot no asshole. Remember say all of Zara there with as a bad boy and a shooter, a real top shooter. All of women there with a step aside. But they couldn't come talk to me. And we other baby mother me always a war. And I'm your best friend now. But no one know you. No, but you come for me, KG. Please. If you want to look a boy. But anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lexi! That's great. You know, so I know we're gonna movie and change my mind. Cause right now I enjoy myself. I will just go drink the Chrome. I'll pray real quick. I'll pray. Okay. 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 Okay.